Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about work in industrial society. Work in industrial society. Today, as the industry is an important part of most societies and nations, many governments will have at least some role in planning and regulating industry. This can include issues such as industrial pollution, financing, vocational education, and labor law. In an industrial society, industry employs a major part of the population. This occurs typically in the manufacturing sector. A labor union is an organization of workers who have banded together to achieve common goals in key areas such as wages, hours of work, and other working conditions. The trade union, through its leadership, bargains with the employer on behalf of union members, maybe rank and file members, and negotiates labor contracts with the employers. This movement first rose among industrial worker. Okay, the work in industrial, pre-industrial and industrial societies. There are three interrelated aspects: work and home. What are the relation between a work and a home? And second one, rationality, and third one, alienation. First one, the concept of work is the process of energy transferred to the motion of an object or application of a force, often represented as a product of a force and a displacement. Displacement of a work. A force is said to do positive work if, when applied, the force has a component in the direction of the displacement of the point of application. A force does negative work if the force has a component opposite to the direction of the displacement at the point of application of the force. For example, when a ball is held above the ground and then dropped, the work done by the gravitational force on the ball as it falls is equal to the weight of the ball. It means a force. It multiplied by the distance to the ground or a displacement. Here, work transfers energy from one place to another or one form to another. According to Jammar, the term work was introduced in the year 1826 by the French mathematician Gaspard Gustave Coriolis as weight lifted through a height, which is based on the use of early steam engines to lift buckets of water out of flooded or mains. According to Ray Drugs, French engineer and historian, it is to Solomon of a Cox that we hold the term work in the sense that it is used in a mechanics now. Now, the definition of a work. Work, it means weight lifted through a height, was originally defined in 1824 by Sadi Carnot in his famous paper Reflections on the Motive Power of a Fire, where he used the term motive power for a work. Okay. Here, working, whether paid or unpaid, is good for our health and well-being. It contributes to our happiness, helps us to build a confidence and self-esteem, and reward us financially. Because of these benefits, it is important to return to work as soon as possible after an illness or an injury. Okay, work plays a significant part in all our life. Our earnings ensure that the lights stay on, there's a food on the table, and the rainy day pot is full. It's not easy task to achieve work-life balance in today's unpredictable and fast-paced business world. As we grow increasingly more connected through technology and social media, it is becoming more and more difficult to separate work from our personal lives. Right? It is a commonplace to check emails at all hours, take business calls at the dinner table, and work on our laptops on weekends, etc. These are totally called as a work. Here, employers expect more from their people, which leads to them feeling more pressure to achieve greater results. Consequently, this leads to longer working hours and less time spent at home. As a business leader, you have a responsibility to help all your team juggle the demands of their work and personal lives. Even your most engaged employees may still be struggling to find a balance. Now, what are the health benefits? Health benefits of a work. ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? Here, health benefits of working. People in work tend to enjoy happier and healthier lives than those who are not in work. Our physical and mental health is generally improved through work. We recover from a sickness quicker and are at less risk of long-term illness and incapacity. Because of the health benefits, sick and disabled people are encouraged to return to or remain in work if their health condition permits it. Health benefits health benefits of work are people in work tend to enjoy happier and healthier lives in those who are not in work. ಯಾರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುವವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ, ಶಾರೀರಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸೋಶಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್. Okay, there is one thing that that has been learned in Scientology that is very important to how the workman thinks and looks at things. He very often feels in his society that he is working for the immediate paycheck and that he does not do anything of any importance. To change the way he looks at this, he needs to know several things. One of these is how few good workmen there are. On the level of executives, it is interesting to note how valuable a man who can handle and control jobs and men equally really is to any large company. So good workers like this are very hard to find. Another thing which is quite important is the fact that the world today has been led to believe by mental philosophies, false things said by people who handle the mind, such as psychiatrists and psychologists. Okay, that when you are dead, it is all over and done with, and you have no further responsibility for anything. It is very likely that this is true. Another thing we know is that people are valuable and things cannot be done without their work. It has been said by some that if people think they are so valuable and essential, they should go down to the graveyard and take a look. Those men were valuable and needed too. This is a very foolish thing to say. If you really looked carefully in the graveyard, you would find the man who operated a machine that made things in earlier years, and without him, there would be no factory or machine shops today. A workman is not just a workman. A laborer is not just a laborer. An office worker is not just an office worker. They are living, breathing, important pillars, things that hold up something on which the entire structure of our world is built. They are not cogs or they are not wheels in a mighty machine or a mighty machine. They are the machine itself. Okay, here these are the work and what importance of work or a work in a industrial society. ಇದರ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಪಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, Okay, we will end